Welcome to the ultimate guide to siege tactics in Bannerlord. Today, we dive deep into the art of war. Before we launch into battle, let's take a closer look at the mechanics of a siege and the various phases involved. Selecting the right units is crucial for both offense and defense. Let's explore the best choices for your strategy. Knowing how to construct siege equipment effectively can turn the tide in battle. Here's what you need to know. Placement is everything. Let's discuss how to position your troops for maximum impact during a siege. Timing your assault is key to success. We'll look at the best moments to launch an attack. Understanding terrain can greatly affect your siege. Let's explore how to choose the right location for your assault. Defending your castle requires keen tactics. Here are effective counter-siege strategies to consider. Intelligence is critical. We'll discuss how to integrate spy information into your siege preparations. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's time to master these tactics and dominate in Bannerlord.